Holy sh... Morning, it's day 2, Saturday. Day 2 of the March Shred, that is. The weather is meant to be blazing again today. There's a bit of a cloud up, let's have a look. This is 8 AM. It's a bit of a cloud. The whip, the Lowrider ST117 high output. This is stonking great weapon, yo. So this is my steed for today and for the rest of the March Shred. Get primed. What the hell? Starship Enterprise. We're in neutral. Sticking in neutral. Right then, people, I'm gonna go find some, well, I've had some breakfast, but I'm gonna go find some coffee and wait for everybody else. Let's do this. So, town centre, here's my clock tower, gonna dump the bike in. Oh, they've already dumped it. I'm gonna dump it around here. Bosh. Town centre. There's all the bikes. Eva's turned up. What time did you set off this morning?
4 AM. 5 coffees later.
4 AM to get here. Nice. We're getting ready. We've got 2 minutes. Right. Everybody on? All on? action shot Adam, look at him. Look at that, bosh. I'm here to catch you when you fall. Come on. Come on, let's go. You got it? He's got it. Good lad. And right on! Another big ride where people are impatient, can't be asked to wait for me, so like I've said before, this is my last year doing big rides. I'm going down to small rides 2026, and that's why. As long as they enjoy themselves. Oh, back. Nice. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Sheepies. I need a wee now. Boston for a slash. I am Boston for a slash. It's fantastic round here. Lovely. Sad times. I think this is the last time I'm going to see a snake like that. I think. Oh well. I've seen bigger. I think I'm coming to a natural conclusion with my bike life. Used to love all the big group stuff, and God, we've had 100 people here before. Miles and miles tailback right through Wales, even in Cornwall, and everywhere. Yeah, I just get a bit old. Not old, but just I've lost the love for it all, I think. It's nice to see, don't get me wrong. Right, Aberystwyth is just round this corner. The coast is there. As you can see, the sea. I can see the sea from here, bro. Down there is Aberystwyth. Right, so we're going to get ourselves down to Pontarddwy, which is about 60 miles from here, 2 hours. So I'm going to pull us in somewhere in Llandovery, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then find the Black Mountain Road. We are ready. Blah, 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 blah. I need to press charge, don't I? There we go. Are we all on? Is everybody on? Is everybody on? Slaughtered. I can't read Welsh, bro. Oh my word. Slaughtered by red light. Hey. Let's partake in some green lightery. I think I'm going to pull us in at this petrol stationals here. Oh, I've got something in my nose. Yeah, I'll pull us in at this petrol station there. On the train line. Let's have a look. Somewhere to pull everybody over. Oh, I'm just going to park here. Skadoosh. And then I'm going to go buy myself a... Oh, it says antiques, so this says aquatics. I'm going to buy a goldfish. You idiot. Whoa. Whoa. Give everybody 10 minutes. Right then. Got my head hurts. We've got about an hour now to get to Pontardawe. I've been calling it Pontardawe via the Black Mountain Road, which is that way. Right then, peoples. Get the sort of bump on the bike. Oh no! Stuck behind the car. So here are our mountains, which if you're used to the Alps, it's not exactly a mountain in the Alps or the Pyrenees or whatever else. But this is our mountains in Wales, so suck it, baby. Hopefully this guy just rolls off out my way. And this is our mountain pass. Fire up the 360, baby. Yes. Get out of my way, bro. Thank you. Right, here we go. Let's have some love. Woo! Oh! No way. Is that a bridge? Have I got to go over this bridge? Yes, bro! Woo! That's all our dudes. Nice. Yep. Watch out for the sheeps. I know it's sheep. Afternoon. Afternoon. How lovely. Oh, off the edge, bro. Know this road existed until a couple of months ago. I like it a lot. Hey, kamikaze! Go on, over there, yo. Woo! Oh, is that a switchback? Oh, yes! Let's test out this Lowrider ST on a switchback. In second gear, go on first hit. Oh, yes, bro! whoa. Stay there chewing. Go for a play. Oh, spin it. Oh, yes. Woo! Does alright, this does on the other banking. It's not quite as stable on the lean angle with acceleration as my Dyna, but she's not bad. Oh, whistling. Sorry. Yeehaw! Down there, that's where we're going. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hello? What are you doing in middle? Oh dear. Oh, I'm crying. That's all the crew right back there. Bloody hell. Oh, look at the bloody horses, man. Wild horse. Hello, ponies. Look at that for a sweeping bend. Off it goes. Oh, wow! Nice! What are you doing, Carl? Stop being a dude. Shift your butt. Right. Onward to the fuel station. Fuel time. Our fuel. E10, baby. 129.9. Pro. On to the next mountain. Bwlch Mountain, or whatever it's called. Bwlch. So that's another 21 miles. Let's start this. if everybody's still with me. I can't really tell. Look at this, nice little stream. I think we're heading into here. I've got 10 minutes, 5.7 miles to the top of Bwlch Mountain. So I'm guessing we're going to be on it very soon. Very soon. Wilde als soons. Oh! We're starting to make a climb here, but it's not very friendly. Right, now we're definitely on the mountain pass because we've just hit a cattle grid. Yo. Oh, I got flies in my mouth. Oh, nice. Here we go. Here we go. We've just had to endure 25 to 30 minutes of driving through towns at 20 miles an hour. My butt is sore from it. Thanks. It's rather lovely. Watch him. This looks like a nice corner to... Oh, dear God, I'm bored. This looks like a nice corner to fire up the 360. A bit of a sweeping bend. Slap it in second. Slow down a bit because I don't know what's around the bloody corner. I've never done this one before. Oh, bank it, mate. Oh, there's a bloody car coming. I'll go right down then. Whee! There we go. It's pretty nice up here, dude. There's a park at the end somewhere where we're going to park in 2 minutes' time. There is the car park. So we're just going to have to park all over it. Fuck. Kind of guy I am. Bark all over it.
Going that way, it's parked in front of me. Look at it, Adam, look at it. Right, let's go. Be near the Brecon, I believe, Brecon Beacons, and that is stunning. It's phenomenal. Power or whatever. Look at this. God, we're getting some bloody views in today. Oh, have a 5 minute bum break.
we go. I'm trying to drop my phone in water. Lovely. Look at that glistening. We have 1 hour to go and then we are back. Are we all ready? Uncle Mick's on. Are we on? Are we all on? Everybody's on. Leon's not on. Leon! Switch my own bike off. Right, let's go. Nothing coming. I've gone. Oh, 1 hour. 1 hour to the promised land. That's lovely. Lovely bit of lake stoppage. Nice. Off he goes. Rather fill up now than in morning. Yeah. I've gone past my hotel. What the shit, man. Look out there. Dude, you made it. Have you filled up?
Yes, sir.
Good man. Full tank for the morning.
I had loads.
And you had loads?
I had loads. I've only done 24 miles since I filled up.
We're in the Crown at 7 PM.
Brilliant. Nice one, mate.
Well, okay. Not mine. Just do it. Do it. This is me, straight past my hotel. What a douche. I'm that tired I went past the hotel. The girl not going up. Shut up, ticking, you bloody sewing machine. Oh.
No, sanitary towel.
Sanitary towel.
Body form.
Come on, Tampax.
Body form.
Blue Thunder Tampax. Done. You doing alright? Bungee Queen? Right. Time for food and bed.
Say hello, say hello.
Hello, Gov.
Where are we from?
Australian accent.
Where are we from?
From Sydney, Australia, and also the Blue Mountains.
Oh, Blue Mountains.
I've come all the way. I've come 12,000 plus miles just to hang out with this bloke.